Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on equations. No? So sa video na to in particular, we will talk about equations with parentheses. No? So pag meron tayong parentheses, meron tayong dalawang expressions na walang operation in between, wala siyang plus, wala siyang minus, then it's multiplication. No? So pag ganito yung form niya, a times b plus c for example, a times b plus c, no? And alam natin from the distributive property, we distribute, no, yung a. Distribute means we multiply a times b, and then I have a plus here, so dapat plus din yun nandito, and then a times c, which is ac. Okay, so pag 2 plus 3 yan, and then I have a 5 here, this is the same as 5 times 2 plus 5 times 3, which is equal to 10 plus 15, which is equal to 25. So, yun lang ibig sabihin ng distributive property. Okay, let's have our first given. We have 2 times x plus 1 plus 13. So, i-distribute natin 2 times x plus 2 times 1 equals 13. Ang dot means multiplication, di ba? So which means that 2 times x is just 2x plus 2 times 1 is just 2. This is equal to 13. And then we subtract 2 from both sides kasi gusto natin x na lang na iwan dito. No? So 2x plus 2 was 13. Subtract 2. And what is 2 minus 2? This is 0, no? So 2x plus 0, this is just 2x. And 13 minus 2 is 11. So we divide both sides by 2. That equals 11 over 2. So pwede kayong lagay ng decimal if you want 5.5 or if you want mixed form 5 and 1/2. Pero sa akin okay na to. So tignan nyo na sa teacher nyo kung okay sa kanya yung improper fraction. Sa akin kasi okay na lang yung improper fraction. Okay, letter B, we have 3 times x minus 11 equals 14x. So, ganun, distribute. So, 3x, minus siya, kaya minus tayo dito. And then, 3 times 11 is 33. This is equal to 14x. So, 14x pa rin. And, mas maganda kung tanggalin natin to dito, di ba? Para yung x natin nandito. Kaysa ito, tatanggalin natin, lalagay natin dito. Lilipat pa rin natin to sa kabila. Tanggalin natin yung 33. So, mas maganda na 3x yung tatanggalin natin. 3x minus 33 equals 14x. So we get rid of 3x minus 3x minus 3x. And 0, 3x minus 3x is 0, so we have negative 33, which is equal to 11x. 14x minus 3x is 11x. And then, para matanggal yung 11x, we have to divide both sides by 11. So 11 over 11 is 1. 1 times x is x. And negative 33 divided by 11 is negative 3. So ito, 11 and a half. Yung answer natin dito. Sorry, not 11 and a half, but 11 halves. 11 and a half iba yun. 11 and 1 half yun. Dito ang sagot natin ay negative 3, no? Ganyan natin ang araw. Bakit kung saan siya mapunta. Okay? And our third example, we have negative 6x plus 8 equals 18. Sorry, times quantity x plus 8 equals 18. So, pwede natin i-distribute, no? So, negative 6 times x plus negative 6 times 8 equals 18. Negative 6x equals, negative 6x plus negative 48 equals 18. Ang plus negative, di ba minus siya? Nalala niyo yung pinag-aralan natin, a plus negative b is the same as a minus b. Di ba? So, negative 6x, ang plus minus pwede, plus negative, pwede natin siya gawing minus. 48 equals 18. So natin maiwan yung x dito, so lahat tatanggalin natin dito. Ang minus 48, tinatanggal siya by adding 48. So negative 6x minus 48 equals 18. So pag nag-plus 48 tayo dito, plus 48. This becomes 0. Ang natira na lang sa kaliwa ay negative 6x. And yun na sa kanan ay, what is 18 plus 48? This is 6 carry 1. 66, di ba? So, ano to? X dividing both sides by 6 or by negative 6. This means that x equals 66 divided by negative 6, which means that x equals negative 11. Okay? There is another solution for equation for the equation in C, no? So kung lang makita nyo na pwede palang i-distribute yung negative. But actually, there's a shortcut. So, negative 6x plus 8, equals 18. Actually, pwede na kayo mag-divide ng negative 6 dito, di ba? Kasi this is multiplication, di ba? Negative 6 times x plus 8, di ba? So, para ma-eliminate mo yung multiplication, pwede ka mag-divide ng negative 6 both sides. So, negative 6 over negative 6. Maka-cancel to. So, ang matitira na dito ay x plus 8. Tapos, ang matitira dito ay negative 3. So, 18 divided by negative 6 is negative 3. And then, we just get rid of 8. X plus 8. Nagalan tayo ng 8 dito. So, minus 18 dito. 8 minus 8 is 0. X equals negative 11. So, pareho rin siya dito. So, kung may pagkakataon kayo na wag na kayo mag-distribute katulad nito, hindi niya kailangan gawin ito kasi mas mahaba siya. Pag mas mahaba kasi yung solution nyo, mas prone to error siya. Mas madali kayo magkamali. Siyempre, kung mas marami kayong pinocompute, mas malaki yung chance na magkamali kayo. Diba? So, yan yung dahilan kung bakit minsan mas maganda na maiksi yung solution. Okay, last we have 2 times negative x plus 9 equals 3x plus 18. So by distributive property, 2 times negative 8, 2 times negative x plus 2 times 9 equals 3x plus 18. Negative 2x to, no? Negative 2x. You have a negative times a positive. You become negative. Then 2 times x is 2x. And then 18 equals 3x plus 18. Oh. Pwede ba na tayong Pwede ba tayong mag-minus 18 both sides? So, kung gusto niyo, pwede natin plus 2x. No? We have negative 2x. Actually, obvious siya from here, no? Kasi, ano i-multiply mo sa negative 2 para maging equal siya nito? Pareho silang 18. So, dapat 0 ito, di ba? Dapat 0 yan, yung dalawang yan. Ibig sabihin, dapat ang x mo 0. Kasi parehong 18 yung nandito mo. No? But anyway, we can still solve the equation. So kung gusto niyo mag plus 2x muna tayo para matanggal to. So negative 2x plus 18 equals 3x plus 18. This is plus 2x. This is plus 2x. So ang minus 2x plus 2x, 0. So 18 na lang matitira dito. This is equal to 5x plus 18. Kasi ang 3x plus 2x is 5x. And then we subtract 18 again from both sides para matanggal dito kasi dapat x na lang matitira dito, di ba? So 18 equals 5x plus 18 minus 18 minus 18. So meaning the left hand side is 0. 18 minus 18 is 0. And the right hand side is 5x. No? Tama? So, dividing both sides by 5. what will happen? So 0 over 5 equals 5x over 5. This is just x, diba? 5 divided by 5 is 1 times x is x. This is equal to 0. Okay, so ito ay, sagot natin dito ay 0. Yung sagot natin dito ay negative 11 yata, no? Kanina. Tama ba? So divide by negative 6, divide by negative 6, this is negative 3, minus 8, negative 11. Okay, so I think okay tayo dito sa ating tutorial, no? Medyo malapit ako makatulog dito sa ano na to. It's 11 already, 11 o'clock in the evening. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa tutorial natin. We still have more examples, no? So abangan niyo yung susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Bago ako mag-end, gusto ko kayong invite sa SIP9 YouTube channel. Mag-subscribe kayo kasi ang dami nating pag-aaralan, no? Pwede nyo rin i-explore yung channel. We have more than 1,000 videos. And of course, our Facebook page, tsaka ating website. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.